gotten to sell a couple of the big name brand shingles. But, you know, as I got into doing it really my own way, and I just kept asking, is there a better way? Is there a better roof? And that's kind of how I stumbled into IKO, honestly, is finding, I want to put on the best roof. In fact, I believe right now, I think I'm putting on the best roof in Dallas-Fort Worth because of IKO. I think in terms of what's it going to save you if you have some kind of a loss, if shingles were to blow off. I mean, the whole thing about having a sealed roof deck, which is part of the CodePlus system, water can destroy. It leads to mold. It leads to rot, and we see it all the time. And yeah, I can't tell you how many, every roof I do, when we're tearing off, you know, of course, a lot of folks around here, they don't tear everything off, but we tear it all off. We tear down, you know, the shingles, the felt, we're getting down, we're pulling the drip edge off. How many times do I find a fascia board or two that's just rotted out? Well, the way that we seal the edges with CodePlus prevents that from happening. I mean, being able to put that seam tape over that edge, and you know, I mean, it's incredible. And you know, it's the vulnerable areas. We're addressing them. You know, we're putting this stuff at the edge, and then of course we're using I'm doing the Nordic shingle because I want to get people that class 4. Plus, we're doing 6 nails, which I don't know why you wouldn't do 6 nails. Why not add the extra nail just to get the high wind, higher wind rating? And then, of course, we're using the Ultra HP IR Ridge, which again, I mean, I feel like there's no such thing as fully bulletproof, but as bulletproof as you can get, CodePlus is that.